Hey guys, I want to do another quick review on these Jorgenson Easy Hold clamps here. So I just used them. I use these things all the time, but I just finished putting a hole in the top of my entertainment center. And I have, of course, my top and then one of the shelves I had under here. Instead of measuring out and drilling out two different holes, I just used my clamps and clamped it to the top here so I didn't have to measure it twice again. And I was a little skeptical about it because, I'm holding it just from one side. There's a very good tendency or possibility of having that shelf slip. But I used these two clamps on there, and I can tell from while I was drilling it that I didn't have any slippage on these things at all. So I just wanted to show that and let you see how good and strong these clamps really are. Like I said, I love them. I use them all the time, and they're just really good quality clamps. So if you are looking for good clamps, you can see all my sawdust there. But anyway, if you are looking for really good clamps to hold on to just about anything, these are definitely high quality. I've been using them for years and strongly recommend them.